number two. This one's for you, son. Your mother's not answering her phone right now, but I just wanted to tell you that I love you. And I know that today is your first day of first grade, and that's a big deal. I'm proud of you. Last night, Mom said you were going to wear your Derek Jeter jersey to school, and I know it's your favorite, but there's not much time, and I guess there's a few things I want you to know. Things you won't understand until you're older, because right now you see the world through innocent eyes, but all that's going to change today, and you're going to have to grow up a hell of a lot faster than any kid should have to. But first, you need to know that change, no matter how large or small, is inevitable, whether you like it or not. The only constant in life is change. And how you choose to accept it will forever define you and your happiness throughout your life. Living in the past will be the only place you'll want to go for a while. But living in the moment is reality. And that, my son, is life. Okay, second, the greatest strength you can have is humility. That's not what the world's going to teach you, but let me tell you, you can either start off by being humble, or life will take care of that for you. Know that you will have victories as well as defeats. Pursue passions that are greater than yourself. Take everything life can give you, while always giving back. And know that there's nothing better than a strong man with even greater humility. Look up what the Bible says about strength and weakness. When you feel lost, that book's always a good place to start. Third, okay, I gotta go now. I love you, son. Get home safe. And don't forget to water the flowers. They're the white ones by the window. Gardenias. They're your mother's favorite. Okay, I gotta go.